Have you ever seen an ad when you were younger that said click here to win a free iPad? And you'd think, who would actually be stupid enough to do that? There's always going to be someone who's going to click to win a free iPad. Otherwise, there'd never be a click to win a free iPad ad in the first place. Think about that. Someone clicked and tried to win a free iPad. But then here's the thought. What if there was a free iPad and they won it because they clicked it and you just weren't quick enough?